I'm gonna show you how I use this salsa chicken and the cauliflower rice to do some meal prep. So I have some meal prep containers here that I'll also link at the bottom of this video. So I just line up the cauliflower rice at the bottom. And of course, you can make these in larger batches. And then we take some of the salsa chicken, put it right over your cauliflower rice, just like that. And then I add some cheese and olives. And that's pretty much all that goes in the meal prep containers because I'm gonna heat these up. And they can also be frozen, by the way. So if you just really like to freeze single meals, that works great. But for lunch, I like to pack some of the guacamole in a small lidded container. Plus it keeps it nicely portion controlled, so I don't need the whole tub. Or if you have some of these singles, you can also add these in the lunch bag as well. And of course, you can't forget sour cream. I really like sour cream on my tacos, burritos, everything. There it is, guys. Close up the lid. When they cool down, you can then put them in your fridge, and there's a school bus. I mean, end of the day. And that's how you can use everything you saw to meal prep. I'll make sure to link these right below the video as well.